Lovelies, in today's video we are making this beautiful crochet hair. I'm gonna be using hair from Karlami Hair. I'm using 3 packs. Usually 2 to 3 packs are enough for a full hair, but we'll see if I'm gonna be able to use the whole thing. So the texture here is kinky coily. Honestly, lovelies, it is lightweight, it's got a soft texture, and it is 100% woman hair. With the preloop double strand design, you can easily install it on your hair. All you have to do is just grab it by the loop and get it installed. So next, we're gonna be braiding my hair, lovelies. This video is super easy to follow and I hope you enjoy it, so continue to watch while I get it installed, and towards the tail end of this video I'm gonna be showing you the final look. This is what one pack looks like. I was able to reach almost half of my head with one pack, so next I'm gonna be starting with the second pack. This is so beautiful. Look at this. See, my hair is blending. The crochet strands, it's like mini crochet, but it blended so well. Blended so well with my hair. The link is gonna be on the video description. A big shout out to Karlami Hair for sponsoring us.